The reason I'm asking you is because you false ID'd me. You're acting really weird. Yeah, but he's wearing a seatbelt. You're not wearing a seatbelt. Yes, I have the right to force you to identify me. You're not wearing a seatbelt. So I'm gonna ask you one more time. I'm trying to be cool with you, bro. I understand that. That's why I'm trying to be cool with you.
Ma'am, do you mind stepping out for me?
Yeah, I'm heading out.
Can you just wait up here by the front for me?
Me?
Yeah, I was just trying to get him out, that's all.
Do not reach in your pockets.
Phone, sir. Just get into my phone, sir.
Not reaching.
Stop
I'm just
reaching in your
my
pocket.
phone, sir. Okay, dude. No, you don't gotta be turned. Help me. Help me.
I'm just reaching in your pocket.
Phone, sir. Okay, dude. No, you don't gotta be turned. Help me.
Will you cover and expedite? Both with you. Will you cover and expedite?
Sir, your copy? Sir, your copy?
You want to show me around?
Copy.
You want
All
to show me
52 Debut, team need emergency traffic. All 52 Debut, team need emergency traffic.
Give him the air.
Copy, all units must check for channel over PD units at 6th Street and Russell.
Check for channel over PD units at 6th Street and Russell.
All but 4 row.
Copy.
All but 4 row.
Copy.
It does help to fix them out.
Copy.
Copy.
Her name is Jomeo.
Copy.
Her name is Jomeo.
233.
233.
Anyone win a fight? Bring more. Anyone win a fight? Bring more.
Copy, there's 4 more on route.
Copy, there's 4 more on route.